Alright, hello everyone. Have a GE front loading washing machine. It's the spin indicator is blinking because of something. When it was spinning on max speed, in 6 minutes, I heard it slow down. So it balanced not too much. It's unbalanced. There's 2 minutes left. 2 minutes! 2 minutes! 2 minutes! Stuck on 2 minutes. It's not ending. Oh well, good. It's not a... Yeah, everyone. So today, Abir and Krish are coming. So is their sisters and family. Their parents. An exciting party. We'll tell them about my school and a fire alarm. So yeah, and Abir and his family coming. And Krish, his family and sisters. Krish will come too. It's new. Well, I finally got that. It's too messy. This is causing the unbalanced load. Oh, it says 1 minute now. Stop! Alright, end it right now. The spin is on because it was blinking. Let's open the door and see how the donuts came. How the towels came out. Oh, it's good. So yeah, put them to the dryer right now. Dryer's done. What cycle should I keep them as? The laundry's done. Sure, it was running non-stop on this. Okay, let's get this all out. You're gonna know something now, okay? Cause you broke our dishwasher. No, I'm serious. You're gonna know something now, okay? Good. What is it? What is it? Like, what's AE? I'm not telling you. Okay. Right? Whoa. Whoa. Guys. Zin. I think I'm okay. Everything empty. Let's close the door so I don't hear anything. What cycle should towels be? What cycle?
High heat, 40 minutes.
On a normal cycle only uses medium.
No, I said high heat. Make it time dry, high heat.
Alright, fine guys. I'm gonna close the door. It says venting. It's the door for the dryer. Go to wait. Yes. Concentrate to make sure everything's clear. Keep it 42 minutes. Locks the door. Wait for some time. She starts to see now it's starting to rotate. It's actually going outside. What is it? Why is it going anti? Oh, you spins counterclockwise. Yeah. It's sensing us wet. Right? Well, thank you for watching, everyone. I'll turn off the light. It's locked. I'll turn it back off when I want to. Every time it stops, every 15 minutes.